Yes, so Saturdays are for weddings. So we stormed a wedding. Me and my crew. Umoma. Hey, see, we stormed my girlfriend's wedding. See my madam forming anger until I brought the camera close. See Oga forming professor with glasses. Oh my God, we had fun. My cuties, Umoma. And there's one letter. We had serious fun. See Mary and Zina Chimde playing. So that one, that tiny girl, that tiny Zina Chimde really stressed us today. Eh? She was not one place, crying and doing her. I can see her now, the madam, my madam of all madams, my Kele Kele star. Umoma, always trying to gum on mommy's body. That girl, now she's on the ground. And before you know it now, just carry her up. This one is even using this thing to block the road. Using PJ Maxx, whether cartoon handkerchief. Mama, we had fun, Jare. Oh, yes, my madam. I had to bundle her to come and join the picture, to come and join the video. I had fun. I had to shut down everything I was doing. Family is everything, and showing up for friends, is everything. Maka mmadụ ka eji aka. Onye nwere mmadụ karịrị onye nwere ego. That is an Igbo adage. That he who has a human being, if you have somebody, you are better than somebody that has money. See my cutie, I had to carry her. Because if not, that one, she wants to be everywhere at the same time. Independent baby. She just wants to be everywhere. Okay, see the bride and go. We had to wait for them for so long. Why do you making video? We were waiting for them. I don't even know. The groom never matching. Or if I cousin. Na-eme matching, anyị kazịla ime matching or matching ka anyị bịazie ime. Hey, some men, they cannot dance to save their lives. Oh, see my beautiful girlfriend. Hey, God is a rewarder. Oh. God knows how to give someone the best. And God gave her the best. I'm happy for her. And I was excited. I had to shut down every activity I had today, saying I must land there. You know that thing they were just spraying now, and I hate that thing. Who else hates that thing like me? That foam-like thing that they spread at when you see the Igbedu. So my girlfriend rocking it. Say the devil got nothing on you, baby. It's not easy. One of her happiest days, just like every young woman's happiest days, Just like I was excited on my own marriage day. Hey, if you see me here, I danced so day. The dance was dancing me. So I can relate with the happiness. God is faithful and just. God is not a man. See, if you see that thing that you're desiring, that thing that you